Welcome to Nantes, a river city where medieval ramparts meet Jules Verne imagination. In the next few minutes, I will take you to the city's must-see spots, from a ducal castle to a giant mechanical elephant. Castle of the Dukes of Brittany. This fortress stands at the very heart of Nantes, the castle of the Dukes of Brittany. For centuries, this was not just a castle, but a symbol of power, protection, and identity. Built between the 13th and 15th centuries, its massive walls once defended Brittany from invasion and political pressure from France. Inside the castle, the Nantes History Museum tells the story of the city, from medieval times to its role as a major port, and through its transformation into a modern cultural hub. This is where Nantes' journey truly begins. Flowing quietly just beyond the historic center, the Erdre River feels like a secret escape. Often described as one of France's most beautiful rivers, it brings calm, greenery, and elegance into the city. To truly experience the Erdre, you need to see it from the water. A boat ride reveals perspectives impossible to capture from land. Hidden chateaux, private estates, and stories woven into the riverbanks. As the boat glides forward, the city noise fades away. You pass elegant homes, quiet gardens, and reflections that seem almost painted onto the water. This gentle cruise is one of Nantes' most peaceful experiences. Perfect for slowing down and absorbing the beauty around you. Then, Nantes surprises you. Welcome to Les Machines de l'Île, where imagination, engineering, and art come together in spectacular form. Inspired by the worlds of Jules Verne and Leonardo da Vinci, these enormous mechanical creations are not static displays. They move, breathe, and interact. The star attraction is the giant mechanical elephant. Standing several stories tall, it slowly walks across the island, carrying passengers while spraying water from its trunk. More than an attraction, Les Machines represents Nantes' creative soul. Bold, playful, and unafraid to be different. Away from the crowd, Saint-Clément Church offers a quiet pause in the journey. Its exterior may feel modest, but step inside and the atmosphere changes instantly. This is a place meant for reflection, where time seems to slow and silence becomes part of the experience. Nantes is a city shaped by water, and its bridges are what bind everything together. Each crossing connects neighborhoods, histories, and perspectives. Some bridges are modern and functional, others historic and elegant, but all offer beautiful viewpoints, especially during sunrise and sunset. Watch the trams glide across, pedestrians pass by, and reflections dance on the river below. Towering above the city, the Cathedral of Saint-Pierre-and-Saint-Paul is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Construction began in 1434 and continued for centuries, a reminder of how much patience monumental beauty requires. Inside, the soaring vaults draw your eyes upward, while the light creates an atmosphere of reverence and awe. Despite suffering damage from a fire in 2020, the cathedral stands resilient, carefully restored, and deeply respected by the city. This is not just a landmark, but a living symbol of Nantes' endurance. As day turns to evening, Nantes reveals its final layer. Bridges light up, rivers reflect the sky, and the city settles into a calm glow. Nantes is not about rushing from one attraction to another. It is about balance, history and creativity, water and stone, silence and movement. As the lights slowly come on and the rivers begin to mirror the night sky, Nantes reveals its quiet magic. A city shaped by water, history, and imagination, where medieval walls stand beside bold creativity. From peaceful riverbanks to towering cathedrals, Nantes is not a place you simply visit. It's a city you feel, one that stays with you long after you leave. If this journey through Nantes inspired you, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to Mesmerizing Guide. Your support helps us continue exploring beautiful places around the world. Until our next destination, travel slowly, stay curious, and let the world mesmerize you.